Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the roles template and explore its contents. To install roles, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage and contents. As you can see, the template contains 3 roles: Employee, Manager and HRSS. Many other templates also contain these roles, like Homepage, Mobile Bottom Navigation and more. After reading, install the template. When installing other templates, access control policies are often granted to the HRSS and employee roles, which may affect your ability to access pages from the template. Now that the template is installed, we can assign one of these roles to ensure we have access to the other template contents and future functionality. Head to the Users section from Admin Home. Select your account and head to the Roles tab. Here you can assign any roles available. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.